So in this video, I'll be showing you how to collect the Leaping Toad skill in Where Winds Meet. Now, in order for you to collect this skill, you have to start by navigating to the General's Shrine. So go ahead and go to the General's Shrine. And then from here, all you need to do is simply go to the shrine itself. Once you're at the shrine itself, you're then going to go towards the bell that you can see on the left-hand side, and you should be able to see an old man leaping up with a toad in front of you. So now all you need to do is simply go up to the old man and simply start the NPC dialogue conversation. And then from here, you should now be able to steal this mystic skill by observing the toad. Once you've successfully stolen the skill, you should now be able to perform it. So you can see here, it's been successfully completed. And now you can go ahead and try it out. So equip it. Now, whenever you want to use it, simply find, say for example, an empty space like so. And that is how it looks like. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.